Alright guys, so today we are doing curry chicken and rice with potatoes and shrimp. So you know my favorite item is steak. Seasoning. I'm almost out. Nature seasoning. I don't really measure it. I just put until I feel like I have enough. And then once I actually cook it, then I will go back and season some more. Curry powder. Garlic. Alright, so all I'm doing is mixing it up, getting all the seasoning right on it. I usually mix it up, and then if I need to, I'll go back in, add some more seasoning, or once I start to cook it, you can usually tell what the seasoning looks like. Be back. Okay, so this is the remainder of the potatoes. So what I'm going to do is take these potatoes and throw them into the pot. So right now the pot is actually going really high, and it's only because I'm trying to hurry and get it done because I have other stuff to do as mom. So all I do is literally just take it, mix it in. Don't mind the stove and stuff, guys. Literally this stuff popping up. So like I said earlier, the rice is already done. I'm going to put the string beans in a pan in a little bit to get that working. These potatoes are this size right now. They will not be once it's all done. Some will boil down, and then the rest I'm going to split. My husband loves potatoes, so that's fine. Can't wait till it's done. Alright, check with you guys in a second. Alright, so I'm just still letting it cook down just a little bit. We got the shrimp in here, we got the chicken, we got the potatoes. So it's actually cooking down. It should be done in the next 10-15 minutes. Of course it'll be a little bit drier, but I'm not going to dry it all the way out. That way there'll be gravy to go on the rice and all that good stuff. Alright, and there we go. Chicken and shrimp with rice. So it's curry chicken and rice with potatoes and shrimp. So good, so good, so good, so good. There you guys have it. Alright, so like, comment, subscribe. Let me know any other ideas that you guys would like. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave your comments down below. Alright, love you guys.